How to log into AA Jetnet Account Online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily log into your AA Jetnet account online. So first, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for AA Jetnet login, just like this. Once you do that, just scroll down and click on this homepage button over here, which is the login page of or homepage of this official website. So it will take you to this website of the official American Airlines. So once you're inside here, you just have to enter your AA ID to continue. So just enter your ID just like this, and once you click on next, you should have password button over here, so you can simply fill up all of your password details correctly and make sure your password and your both AA ID are correct. And once you confirm both of your login credentials, just click on submit, and just like that, you should be successfully logged into your account. And you can also easily reset your password if you ever forget your password by simply tapping on this forget password button over here as well. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.